Hi ladies, so today is Wednesday, May 16th. You are on module 7, lesson 4. Your learning target is I can draw a bar graph to represent a given data set. So what's different about this is this keyword, bar graph. Yesterday, if you remembered, we did picture graphs. And today we are doing bar graphs, which is a little different. So I already wrote a problem up on the board for you, and you're going to use the information in this problem to create your bar graph. It says, over the summer, I went to the aquarium. I saw 8 dolphins, 15 fish, 2 whales, and 9 starfish. So what I like to do is I'm at the aquarium, saw 8 dolphins, 15 fish, 2 whales, 9 starfish. That is the information, the key information that I need to include in my bar graph. So that's what I'm going to start doing now. Remember, you always need a title. I would say maybe animals at the aquarium. That's my title. I'm going to again draw that like capital L shape. You have to label this side, so you have to think. Remember, just like your picture graph, we put the kinds of animals down here, so it's going to be the same thing. We're going to do the kinds of animals or animals at the aquarium. And then on the side, this is going to be the number of animals. So your graph always starts at 0. And then you have to count up. You have to look for your biggest number. So your graph has to go to the biggest number, which is 15. So now I do little marks. 1. They should be about spread out pretty evenly. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then you have to write down your animals. So I have a dolphin. I have fish, whales, and starfish. Now with the bar graph, you're going to make kind of like a rectangular bar. So you look at your dolphin, that's the first one. You have 8 dolphins that I saw. So you have to go to the number 8, draw a little line, come down, straight down. So that represents 8 dolphins. The way you know that is you look at the dolphins, which is under here, and then you followed it up. Oh, it stops at 8, so Miss Hildebrand must have saw 8 dolphins at the aquarium. Fish, we have 15. So that goes all the way at the top. Make my little line, and then I like to draw straight down. Whales, 2. Starfish, 9. So find the number 9, go straight across. So that's your bar graph. So now you'd have questions about it. So let me just quickly write questions for you ladies to solve. Okay, so I came up with some questions. Number 1 says, how many fish and starfish are there? So again, you go to your fish. You can either use your bar graph or you can go back in your problem and find where it is. Fish, we have 15. So that's when we write the number above this, remember, because that helps you be successful and not get confused about what you're trying to solve for. Starfish, we have followed across 9 starfish. So I'm just going to squeeze that number. It says how many are there? So that tells me that I'm going to be adding. So if you have to, you can set it up vertically on this side. 9 plus 5. which is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so there's 24. Starfish. You always want to label. And fish. How many more dolphins than whales? Again, refer to your chart. You have 8 dolphins, 2 whales. How many more? That's an important word that we've been talking about for a while now. How many more you should know that tells you to subtract. So 8 minus 2, which is going to give you 6. 6 more dolphins. Those labels are important. Oops, I didn't draw a line for this one. It says how many animals are represented in the graph in all? How many animals in the graph in all? So you're going to just go, and I would write them down to help you. So we have 8. We have fish, there's 15. 2 whales and 9 starfish. 8 plus 2, if you want to find those benchmark numbers, so the closest to 10, so 8 plus 2 is going to give you 10. So that's 10. And then do 10 plus 9, which is going to give you 19. And 19 plus 5. Just trying to show you some ideas that you can do on the side to help you add. So 19 plus 5. It's just going to give you 24. So 4 on the bottom, carry your 2. 2 plus 1 is going to give you 3. So 34 animals in all. So that is how you do the bar graph. I am going to get one right now for you to solve on your own. Just so you can see it. It says, Miss Balling took a walk. She saw 18 purple flowers, 8 yellow flowers, 19 pink flowers, and 12 orange flowers. I drew again the layout for your graph. Just remember that you need to be labeling these, and you need to be labeling your numbers just as a reminder. So it always starts at 0, goes up, and you have to determine how far it's going to go up by looking at your numbers in your problem. Remember, you're doing a bar graph, so I should see those bars just like I drew previously in this video. Number 1, you're going to be answering questions. It says, which color flower did she see the most? Number 2, which color flower did she see the least? How many pink, purple, and orange flowers did she see is number 3. And number 4 is how many more orange flowers than yellow flowers? Okay, so that's your practice. Remember to also go on Zern to practice. And I look forward to seeing your videos.